everyone. Welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to tell you what is an operation in make.com. So an operation is basically an action. This is a short answer. For example, I have this little operation or scenario set up where you get mails from the Gmail app. It sends them to OpenAI to shorten them or summarize them, and then send them to Slack. So basically, getting an email, receiving an email is one operation. The summarizing text of the email is a second operation. And the last operation, so the third operation in this scenario, is the Slack operation, which pastes the summary into Slack. So you can create your own operations down here, whether it's an app operation, or it's just a flow control operation, or a tool, so like a trigger. Everything basically in this little bubble. Each bubble is an operation on its own. So that's about it. I hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.